Hi, hello myself. Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you an unbelievable strategy, a good site. You can just go now the site and leverage the merit of the site and start making money for yourself. And start making money for yourself. The site name is what? Flaticon.com. Flaticon.com. www.flaticon.com. Now I'm now on flaticon.com. I'm now on flaticon.com. On this platform, what is the benefit of this platform? You have the opportunity to be able to download whatever icons you want, and also to also make money through creating designs, icons, and etc. Creating designs, icon, and etc. This is how the site look like. This is how assets plus 3.3 million vector icons and stickers. Download free icons, stickers for your project, resource made by and for designers, injected quality icons and stickers. First of all, before you can start on this platform, you need to register your information. You can either register through Google account, then or through Facebook. That's how you'll be able to sign up. Or if you already have an account existing on this platform, you can just log in direct. Then go back. But we'll be joining this platform as a contributor. So I want the player to pass through the register button direct. We'll be joining the platform as a contributor, so because we want to earn money. We're doing job on this platform. Now let me scroll. Like I say, become a contributor and earn money with your creations. Over 500 designers around the world already trust us. Now click on register and active your account. Then, since I already have an account on this platform, I don't need that. I'll just click on Google and show you the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Then you will have the ability to be able to try to read the creators guide. Try to read their creators guide when you are registering. Try to read their creators guide so you understand how the site works. So this is how the site looks like. As a contributor, you have the ability to be able to create your own icon by making use of the already existing icon. Then after that, once you create your icon, you can then upload it to this portal. They will help you market it. And they will pay you for quality icons you give them. Let me show you the dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. You can see the billing information, my billing information. I've not started work on this platform. I'm unable to receive any payment now, since I've not started any job on this platform. I'm just for reference purpose. That's why I'm showing this. See, I will need to input my name and etc. Then my bill, you can see paper, seats, and etc. Then I will save the billing information. That's where you need to input your billing information, your payment information. That's how they'll be able to put invoices, pending invoice, no pending invoice available, paid invoice, no paid invoice available. You can see they have not paid me any money. So I'm still new to the site. I just actually show you guys the information. If I'm just going to go back to the main dashboard. So this is how dashboard like. So how can we now create our own design? Can leverage on this site. How can we now create our own design? Let me show you my contributor profile. This is our contributor profile. You need to input your portfolios, your social informations, and etc. Now let me go back to our dashboard. click on my icons. Not yet from you. I'm not started working on this platform. So how can you now create your own design on this platform? How can you create your own design on this platform? How can you create your own design? This is how you can create your own design on this platform. What? You can just choose any of the recommended themes, either avatar, ecology, business, e-commerce, spring, etc. Choose business. So you have the ability to be able to select over 600 and 1359 business icon to edit. Then you start creating it, then you download it. Then once you download, then you re-upload it. You upload it to the portal, and then you'll be paid. You paid by the company. What if your creation happen to meet the company standard? Now let me show you how we can create designs. Okay, let's assume, okay, I love this, I want to use it to create it. You can see this edit icon upward at top right hand, then click on it. Or this feature is only available for registered users. So let me log in back. You can see now. Let me edit the icons. This is how the page looks like. But okay, let's assume this is what I wanted to do. Display. Let me rescale it. And my aim is to add circle. So it shapes, and then add circle. So you can see it has become a new design. It's not just ordinary, it's even a logo design. It has become a logo design. Quality logo design. You can see what after that. Then you download the icon. SVG, EPS, CSS. Then download all the icon formats you need. Payment is also low. Since you can't download it through that, so you can't download it. Let's download it through the one available, made available by the company. You can see I've downloaded the icons I just designed. Now let me go back to downloads. Let me go back to my download. This is the only icons we are able to download. But let me show you how our logo now look like. You can see the beautiful design. Now we can now go back and re-upload it back. Contributors. Go back to my icon back. Upload. Browse. Recently download icons. Click on it.
Okay. Okay.
Let's check.
Hello. Wow, the pass.
So then you re-upload, what the image you just download, the image just downloaded. Then once you upload it, then you have the ability what to be able to submit the new icons you just downloaded. The new icon just, then that has been your what, your first